It seems like we have been digging our own grave. We built AI to do the boring stuff for us, and now it's doing us instead. Plot twist, we were the boring stuff. A lot of big names in tech believe artificial intelligence is coming for tech jobs, and fast. Mark Zuckerberg says AI will replace mid-level engineers by 2025, which is this year. Microsoft's CTO, Kevin Scott, predicts that more than 95% of all code will be written by AI by 2030. Today, I'm going to talk about the analysis of the perspectives of these tech leaders, which jobs AI will take over, what the tech job market would look like by 2030. Now, let's start by analyzing the point of view of big tech leaders. We tech bros have created something that could make us all go jobless. Let's face it, there is a lot of noise about artificial intelligence replacing developers, but it's not just noise, it's coming straight from the top of the tech food chain. Kevin Scott says 95% of code will be written by AI. Mark Zuckerberg told Joe Rogan that mid-level engineers are on the chopping block this year. AI will replace mid-level engineers by 2025, and honestly, I believe them, because right now there are tools in the market that enable even a semi-distracted 50-year-old kid to build a decent homepage in 5 minutes that would take you and your team 3 sprints to build. Now here's the spicy one. The boss of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, said that most SaaS products are just CRUD apps with a lot of business logic. AI agents will soon be able to handle all types of APIs and databases. This, in my opinion, is the domination of SaaS market by AI agents. And I find it very interesting because if that happens, software won't be click-through anymore. It will be talked to. And then there is the leather jacket man, Jensen Huang, who dreams of AI programmer right next to him, capable of building whatever he can imagine. Honestly, this one alone could make us all go jobless. But we're only scared because, for once, automation is coming for us, the people with a job in tech, the people who thought we were too clever to automate. I bet you never noticed, but automation was always replacing humans. Like back in the early 1900s, farm workers being replaced by tractors and harvesters. In the mid-1900s, factory workers were being replaced by robotic arms. Shout out to my man, Henry Ford. The most recent version of it is drivers and delivery workers being replaced by self-driving vehicles. Automation always replaces someone. This time, it's personal. Now it's time to see the tech jobs AI will take over. No one can sugarcoat it anymore, but AI is about to dominate the bottom of the tech pyramid. Say goodbye to low-skill developers who just translate specs into code, manual testers and basic QA like click-through testers, regression grinders, basic data roles, most tech support jobs, documentation writers and explainer script creators, website builder users like WordPress. In the near future, one skilled dev with AI will do what entire teams used to do. I am not saying don't learn to code, test or do data science. I'm saying don't stop there. Even the CEO of GitHub recently said, we are nowhere near the point when you can just prompt artificial intelligence to create complex software like make GitHub and it just builds the whole thing. People still need to learn to code. The bottom line is, if your job is predictable, templated and doable after a YouTube tutorial, you're skating on thin ice. But there's good news. As terrifying as this sounds, artificial intelligence isn't just here to ruin careers. It is also opening doors to opportunities we could not even imagine before. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, technology is the biggest force reshaping the global job market. And here's the neat part. Yes, tech will kill off 9 million jobs, but it would also create 19 million new jobs. AI alone will create 11 million while automating away 9 million. So yeah, AI is both the villain and the hero. Whether we like it or not, AI is here to stay. And you know what they say, if you can't beat them, join them. So stop worrying about losing your job and start adapting. It's no longer about what you know, it's about how fast you can evolve. which is exactly the point of the next video, how to become irreplaceable by AI, covering new career paths, skills you should develop, and how to stay relevant in the age of intelligent machines. So subscribe for not missing out on that one. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next Velocity Deploy.